Hey, it's Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Today we are making our best ever pizza sauce. So my husband Alex and I honeymooned in Italy 11 years ago, and we fell in love with artisan pizza. So on the way home from our honeymoon on the plane, we said we need to learn how to make it. Now we know how to make the dough after over 10 years of honing our recipe. You can see that in another video. Today we wanted to show you our best pizza sauce. We have just discovered this recipe. It's perfect for your pizza nights, and it's so simple. Just 5 ingredients. Throw them all in a blender and you're done. No cooking required. Now the secret to our best pizza sauce is crushed fire roasted tomatoes. You can find them canned in most grocery stores. We love them for the very sweet flavor that they have. If you can't find fire roasted tomatoes, you can certainly substitute just normal crushed canned tomatoes, but we would recommend trying to find them. The flavor is amazing. We're garlic lovers around here, so it's no surprise that we put fresh garlic into our best pizza sauce. We are using a small clove of garlic. Garlic cloves can vary in size, so just make sure you find a small one or cut a large one in half. Here's a fun tip for how to peel your garlic quickly. Everyone uses a different method, but this is what Alex and I like to do. Grab a mason jar and just smash that garlic clove. The paper will come right off. After removing the paper, chop the garlic into a few rough pieces and throw it into the blender. Okay, our tomatoes and garlic are in the blender. The last 3 ingredients are probably already in your pantry: olive oil, kosher salt, and dried oregano. So we'll add those to the blender and blend it up. All right, that is it. No cooking involved, and you have a delicious pizza sauce that you can use every Pizza Friday for all your pizza needs. Now, if you're looking for a dough recipe, we have one over on acouplecooks.com. We also have our very best dough recipe in our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking. It's available everywhere books are sold. See you next time. We'd love to hear if you make this sauce. Let us know in the comments below.